Hello everyone, I'm Tom Finley, and in this video I'm going to go over how you can download your LinkedIn contacts into a CSV file so then you can upload them quite easily into TomCRM into your contacts. So firstly we need to go to LinkedIn, go to Me, Settings and Privacy, Data Privacy, and then you go to Manage your data and activity, and here, because I've previously requested archiving of this data recently in preparation for this call, you find the link to request archive. So click that. It takes you this page, and you can request archive. Depending on how much data and all the information that you want, it can take over 24 hours or it can take 10 minutes. I just asked for connections. LinkedIn will generate that file and then send you an email telling you that they've prepared that file, and it usually takes 10 minutes. So I'll show you that. So if we request new archive, and here you go, these are sort of what I was talking about: articles, connections, imported contacts, messages, all that information. All I selected previously was connections and imported contacts, and then asked for that data to be emailed over. I'll show you the email that I got. So this is the email that I got. And of course, you can follow that link. It takes you straight back to that page that we were previously on, and then you can press download archive, and that downloads your CSV file of all your contacts on LinkedIn. So this is the CSV file that's been downloaded. You've got your first name, your last name, the LinkedIn URL, their email addresses if they have allowed LinkedIn to share them, the company that they work for, the position, and the date you're connected to them. We can now use that to upload that into TomCRM, and there is a separate video on this. Any further questions, please don't hesitate to reach out. Thanks, bye for now.